I went to the thrift store to grab some doilies. I was a little disappointed in the selection, but I did buy this one, which was cute. And I found this pillowcase, linen with a little tassel on the edge, which worked out perfect, and then a white tablecloth. On my way home, I stopped at the dollar store. I grabbed this cone and the circles, and I trimmed it to the heights that I wanted, and then I used hot glue to attach the circle to the top of the cone. This is my Surebonder glue gun. This is not an ad, but I absolutely love it. It's cordless. You just plug it in to charge it, and then it works for about 3 minutes on its own. Highly recommend. I'll leave the link to the glue gun in the description. Okay, so I just took that pillowcase, I put it over top, and then I'm using a acrylic paint marker. You could use a Sharpie, but the paint markers show up really, really nice. I'll leave a link to my favorite ones in the description as well. And you just make a cute little ghost face. And then I decided to add some dried flowers just to increase the spooky cute factor. And then I just went ahead and used my hot glue gun to glue some of the fabric together just to adjust the shape of the ghost. And then I repeated all of those steps to make a smaller version using that other doily. I realized the paint marker wasn't really going to work, so I cut out some felt and glued that on for the eyes for this ghost. You could finish it off just like that, or if you want to be a little extra and again go for that spooky cute factor, you can glue a flower crown on. I absolutely love how mine turned out. And then for the tablecloth one, I just used a tomato cage, flipped it upside down, put a large foam ball on top, used the acrylic paint pen to mark some eyes on the tablecloth, and I put it over top, and you have the easiest cute little ghost for your front porch. And here's the other two that I made finished up on my shelf with all my other fun, spooky, cute Halloween decor. I love how it turned out. What do you think? If you love DIY and crafts like this one, make sure to check out my Halloween crafts ebook. I printed a copy for myself because I love just being able to share this with my kids and do these crafts together at the table without the distractions of my phone. But you can download your own copy, have it on your phone or your computer, or print it off for your own records, and you'll have 18 easy crafts that you can do with your family at home right at your fingertips. No more having to scroll Pinterest, getting lost in social media looking for that perfect craft. It is all right here for only $4.99. Click the link in the description, and happy crafting, friends.